Hello YouTube, Justin.
Alright, it's Kaylin.
And this is I think it's Ogerpon?
It's Ogerpon.
EX. Premium Collection Box.
Ooh.
Let's see. There you go. You got the Ogerpon EX promo. You got the mask.
Leaves are kind of cool.
Got Kill Mask, Ogerpon, and food card. Wow. This Ogerpon sleeves, pretty cool. And
Surgeon Sparks, Shallow Crown, Red Oxford.
Oh.
I'll go first.
Ooh, Surgeon Spark.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know this one came with Surgeon Spark.
Okay.
Yeah,
Meh. That was
one of the they went back there way behind the printer. Fire.
grass, lava. Summit, Lumitic, Drizzlepede, Bronzor, Boros, Adios, Surfer, Baka, Alga, Tornadish.
Open up Holy Crown. What's for you? Fighting.
Psychic, lava. Alrighty then.
Alright, me info. Mo wrote him.
I don't.
What is it, a lawnmower?
Yeah.
Dude, if I want to mow the grass in this thing, I don't.
Never go outside again.
Well, hopefully it just mows the grass for you.
Yeah.
Covered fossil. Poor bunny. Kangaroo. Poltergeist. Salamander. Raging Bolt. Aluminum.
Whatever that is. It's a skyscraper.
It's weird.
I don't like it.
Weird.
Red Oxford?
I can open Surgeon Sparks. Okay. I'll fight.
Give it.
To be fair, here. I mean, I'll open anything. I don't really care.
Stop. Man.
Jesus.
She's gonna break something.
Yeah. Steel.
I'm still. What? No.
Dark.
Now it's dark.
One time.
Yep. It's a cutie.
Scatterbug.
It looks so creepy.
Emissary. Esper.
That's creepy. He doesn't blink his eyes.
It's not.
Oh, I hope so. Berry.
Ash.
It's not just a berry.
Ashberry.
It's a blueberry. And a highlight.
Who do I have to deal with? Palpatine. Triton.
Green. Alrighty then.
Oh, you go from regular one to full art. That's pretty cool. I like that.
It looks like
I like
anime.
It's anime.
Yeah. Pokemon anime.
Well, Pokemon is anime, really.
I know that. I said Pokemon anime.
But I do like the full art trainers are pretty cool.
Red Oxford.
Paradox Rig.
Meh.
I like Ricocheted. I need to set up a camera just for her code card. Fighting.
Fire. Water. Big mouse. Yep. Squidward. Toxel. Fenda.
Explode. That's Riley yawning.
Okay. Slitherwing. Pokemon Z. Luchin. Alfia. Ay.
Color Crown. Fire.
Water. Lightning. Hey.
Mineral. Firehorn. Bonita. Robin.
Iguana.
Yeah.
Landers. Angry lizard. I was gonna say Landers.
Roganator. Graveyard. Impidimp.
I think we're all need to I go
Oh,
to bed.
know what I'm talking about. Hydrapple.
Hydrapple.
Yeah.
Yikes. It looks very
If I was a dragon,
It is.
it looks very angry.
Dragon
Well,
grass.
in this one it's grass.
Yeah.
it's a dragon apple.
Yeah.
Dragon apple.
It's Hydrapple.
Can you eat that dragon?
Somebody's Pokemon. Pokemon, you're killing me. I can't imagine the
Well,
next generation.
Well, it's
Here's the alphabet.
pretty much. Well, isn't it what unknown is?
Yeah.
Meh.
Wimpy.
Lightning. That's
Yeah.
the last pack. Huh?
Water.
Grass.
And what is it? Twilight?
I said water.
What is it? It's Twilight. Poliwag. Elevatile. Warfish. Rookie. Riverroom. Lorges. Festival Grounds. Wacky. Purple.
Oh.
Riley with the full arts today. Lucian.
Lucy. Lucy.
That's pretty cool. Anyways, Riley.
Subscribe, send us video. Bye.
It's like, are you gonna say it?